Rather than Layla.
Not very good. Mud bubble.
Mensch, der hat super schlimm.
Oh.
Ligona Baruti, Ligona E.
Wow. He likes that mud.
Happier than an elephant in mud.
Lifespan for the elephants, 65 to 8 years.
Oh, I can't.
And then elephants, they live in two groups. They've got the bachelor head, this one and this one, or only belongs to the males. Breeding head, females and young ones. And then within the breeding head, we do have the matriarch. The matriarch is the eldest female who is leading or controlling the head.
Yeah.
Same applies to the bachelor head. The patriarch is the eldest male who is leading or controlling the head. Those young bulls, they learn from him how to behave like a man.
Yeah.
And then he's the one who is giving those young bulls the permission
Looks
to
like
go and
he's having
celebrate
fun,
Christmas. See that he used those tusks for digging with that grass.
Nope.
His nose is in his hole. There you go.
Oh, you need more fresh water now.
He's pretty happy with himself.
If you look at those
Look at
tusks,
this one. This one
are not the same. Another one is shorter than one another. The
Yeah.
shortest one is the one who mostly use. Others are left-handed, others are right-handed. They use those tusks as for back in the backs of the trees, digging the roots as well as digging the soil.